Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make this special seafood pasta. If today is your first time of coming across this video, you are welcome. With no further ado, let's jump right into the video. The first thing I'll be doing is to heat up my pan and then add my vegetable oil, and then I will add butter. I will be using butter and vegetable oil for this recipe. I will allow to melt. Next I will be adding my chopped onions, and then I will fry this for some minutes, and then I will be adding the next ingredient. Thank you guys for always stopping by to watch my video. Now I'll be adding the fresh chopped pepper, aka tarodo. Then I'll go ahead to add my chopped tomatoes, and then I will go ahead to stir this up. And if you have watched up to this moment and you like this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share, leave your good comment in the comment section. Thank you. I allowed this to cook for some minutes without covering it up. Now I'll be adding the chopped garlic. I will also add ginger powder, and then I will mix this up. The next thing I will be adding is the paprika pepper. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope everything is fine with you guys. Now I will be adding ketchup. This is so optional. If you don't have ketchup, you can still go ahead to prepare your delicious pasta. And I will go ahead to stir everything to combine. At this point, guys, I will be adding the swordfish and the prawns. I fry both of them off the camera. You can use calamari in place of the swordfish or any fish of your choice. Now I'll go ahead to stir this up and leave it to cook on a very low heat, and then I will show you next thing to do. In another pan, I'll be cooking my spaghetti. I added some water into the pan, and I allowed it to boil. I added some salt already. I will cook this for 7 to 10 minutes or until well cooked. And guys, I noticed that some of you watch my video but you haven't subscribed. But why? Please subscribe. It is free to subscribe. It doesn't cost anything. And after some minutes, I will go ahead to add some of the pasta liquid into the sauce, and then I will continue to cook the pasta. And now I'll be adding cooking cream, and thereafter I will go ahead to stir everything until it is thoroughly combined. And now I'll be adding white pepper to add more flavor into the dish, and then I'll stir this up. At this point I'll be adding some Maggi cubes. I will also add some salt as well, and then give everything a stir. At this point, I'll be adding the cooked pasta. You can use any pasta of your choice. You can use linguine, you can use penny pasta, any pasta of your choice is okay. But then I will give everything a stir. And guys, our seafood pasta is ready. This was so delicious. My husband really enjoyed it. Are you going to be trying this? Let me know. And I went ahead to plate this. I added more flavor into this by adding the grated cheese. Guys, this was a very delicious meal. Are you going to be trying this out? If you do, please let me know. I urge you to try this, guys. Thank you guys for always watching my videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and keep eating good food. See you in my next one. Bye.